Hey, pizza lovers! Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into gear that brings pizzeria vibes right to your backyard. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to talk about the Witt ETNA Fermo pizza oven. If you're dreaming of crispy, restaurant-quality pizzas at home or on a camping trip, this sleek oven is a total game changer. Stick around to see why and click the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's jump into the features of the Witt ETNA Fermo. This 16-inch gas-powered oven heats up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit in about 18 minutes, cooking 12-inch pizzas in just 60 to 90 seconds for that perfect leopard-spotted crust. Its U-shaped burner ensures even heat distribution, so you get consistent, crispy results every time. Made with SS304 stainless steel, it's durable and rust-resistant with a removable pizza stone shelf for easy cleanup. At around 44 pounds with foldable aluminum legs and rubber bases, it's stable yet portable enough for patios, balconies, or outdoor adventures like camping. The dome-shaped design maximizes heat retention, and two heat settings let you tweak the temperature, high for quick preheating and low for crunchy crusts with sizzling toppings. It's not just for pizzas. You can bake bread, sear steaks in a cast-iron pan, or roast veggies. Available in black, orange, or graphite, it's a stylish addition to any outdoor setup. Setup is a breeze. Unfold the legs, connect a propane tank, and ignite it with a push button. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The U-shaped burner delivers even cooking, and the fast preheat means you're eating sooner. The portable design with foldable legs is perfect for small spaces or travel, and the stainless steel build is both sturdy and easy to clean. Its versatility for Neapolitan pizzas, American-style pies, or other dishes is a huge win. The sleek design adds a wow factor to your backyard. Cons? It's priced around $950, which might be steep for casual users. It's gas only, so you'll need a propane tank. Some users found the igniter tricky to see in bright sunlight, and it doesn't include a pizza peel, so you'll need one for easy handling. Should you buy the Witt ETNA Fermo? Absolutely, if you're a pizza enthusiast who wants pro-level results in a portable, stylish package. It's ideal for backyard pizza parties, family gatherings, or camping trips where you want authentic, crispy pizzas without the hassle. If you're as pumped as I am, hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and click the Amazon link in the description to snag the Witt ETNA Fermo at the best price. Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing, so use the link below to save big. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe if this helps. See you in the next one.